is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's get ready to rest. Elmo is just getting ready to lay down and rest. Lay down and get ready with Elmo. Okay, first, we have to make our bodies calm by stretching. Do it with Elmo. Elmo's going to stretch his arms by reaching them up. Elmo likes to stretch his arms and wiggle his hands, too. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Then Elmo stretches his legs. Don't forget to stretch your feet. You can do that by moving your feet in little circles. Little circles. Next, Elmo tries stretching his whole body at the same time. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Little circles, little circles. Now Elmo's body is calm and ready to rest. Oh, there's one more thing Elmo likes to do. Elmo likes to take a nice, slow belly breath and count to 5. Do it with Elmo. Put your hands on your belly and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose while Elmo counts to 5. And slowly breathe out through your mouth. Now, deep breath in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly breathe out through your mouth. Then Elmo closes his eyes and is ready to rest. Elmo hopes you're ready to rest too. Sleep tight.